Hey guys, T here. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to scrap unlimited leads using Apify through Clay. So this particular method rinses thousands of qualified leads consistently every single month. Before we start, I just let you know what is actually Apify. So Apify is a web scrapping and automation tool that helps you collect data from websites without any manual work. In lead generation, we use Apify to pull company, profile, or contact data and send it directly into tools like Clay for enrichment. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So when you go to Apify pricing, there are two types of payment method you will see. You can go with monthly plan or plus usage cost based on how much you run scrappers like compute units. In simple words, you can go with monthly plans and also pay as you go. And in the first plan, that is free plan, best for beginners and testing. Here you will get $5 free credit to use Apify actors and $0.30 per compute unit and community support only, and no store discounts will be available, no credit card needed. So it's good for learning Apify and small experiments. So when you go to starter plan, it's $29 per month for solo users and small automations. So here, $29 credits included and $0.30 per compute unit, and also chat support available. Bronze store discount will be available. It's good for freelancer and yearly automations. When you go to scale, it's like $199 per month for serious scrapping and automations. So here, $199 credit included, and the cheaper compute is like 0.25 per unit, and here the priority chat support and silver store discount will be available. It's best for lead generation agency and automation builders. And when you go to business, it's $999 per month. It's for companies and heavy users. $999 credit will be included, and the cheapest computer is like $0.20 per unit. And the account manager gold store discount will be available. It's best for team and enterprise scrapping. There is something important to remember. That is, you don't lose money. Your plan money becomes usable credit. So if you use more than a credit, you pay extra, like pay as you go. Annual billing gives 10% discount. So Apify is not expensive. You just pay for how much you use. So just go to any web browser and search for Apify. It will show you the main website of Apify, like apify.com here. Just click that. So now you can see Apify's main website here. In a tagline like get web data build automations. Like the way here you will see all details about the Apify, like product details and solutions they give, developers they have lead and documentations like the way, and resources it has, and pricing details. So when you scroll down, here you will see all the actors, like all the web scrappers here. And in Apify, there are 10,000 plus actors are available. We can scrap leads from anywhere. And here you will see the trusted technology leaders globally here. And we can see all those main details like Apify's service details in a website here. I'm just clicking go to console and signing up my free account here. When you sign up for the first time as a free account, you will receive $5 for a trial. If you scrap 1,000 leads, you will cost around $5. Like the way it will change based on the actors you choose. So here you can see all the details about your Apify account. I'm just clicking here. You can see my name here, like Deepika K. It's my account name and the profile here. And you can add any other organizations like Workspace here. And in Apify store, you can search any Apify actors here. Like it's like a Play Store. If you want any app from the Play Store, you will just go there and search for the particular app and you will download it, right? Like the way in Apify store, you can search any lead scrapping actor here based on the criteria you have for social media, AI agents, lead generation, e-commerce, SEO tools, like anything. Here are the 10,000 plus actors available. You can search anything. Like I'm just clicking view all. So yeah, you can see, right? You can scrap Google Maps. You can scrap people from TikToks and Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and you can also scrap Instagram commenters like post engagers. So here you can scrap intent-based signals like social media post engagers and recently funded companies, like anything you can scrap from here. After that, in home, here you will see what you have recently used and what actors run recently here. And you can see the scheduled runs here. So when you click actors, there are two options, like you can develop a new actor or just go to the Apify store and choose which one you want. And in runs, you'll see what actor you have run. And in saved task, you can see if you have used any one particular actor and scrap leads from that and saved that task, you can see that saved task here. And in integration, you can integrate Apify into any tools that you have used like Make, Zapier, Clay, Slack, etc. And after that, schedules, like I already said, you can see all your scheduled actors here. My actors, here you can see all the actors that are developed by you. And in insights, so here you can see all the information about the actor that you have developed, like monetization, debugging, possession, and actor quality, like the way. When you click messagings, you can send the emails to the actor users that you have built here. Based on that, you can see all the issues that reported by the users about your actors. Like issues provide a way communicate with users of your actors. They can report bugs, request features, or share general feedback, like the way. Based on this, you can update or upgrade your particular develop the actor. So in the settings, you can see all details about your Apify account. You can change name and we can upload a profile image here. So ensure once you want to change your username, because if you change your username, your old data will be disappear. So be clear with that. In a profile, you can upload your profile images and change your first name, last name, and bio. And here you can add a little description about your account and homepage URL, GitHub, any other personal social media links you can add here. And the settings that you need to make, like make profile publicly visible. If you want it, you can enable it. And in theme, you can select which theme you want to use. Like I'm just clicking dark theme. So it's like you can see, right? And you can also delete your account. In login privacy, we have to log in by purchasing any plan here, and we can see all the login details here once we have purchased the Apify account. And in API and integration, you can see your Apify API key. Using this, you can integrate this Apify account to any other tool like Make, Zapier, Clay, Slack, etc. And in organization, you can create a new organization here like Elevation Next. It's my company name. You can select which those company you want to add like that. And in notification, so these are the actors information and notifications. It's defaultly looks like this. If you need any changes, you can do it based on your needs. And in referrals, you can create a referral ID here, and you can refer any of your friends or colleagues about the Apify with your referral ID. And once they have purchased the Apify account, you will earn 20% commission for the 3 months, and then 30% on referral. I think everything was mentioned. Just go to Apify store and let's start. So how we can scrap unlimited leads using Apify through Clay. For that, we have to choose which actor we want to use now. I'm just clicking lead generation here. Here you can see all the actors that are suitable for the lead generation. I'm just scrolling. So here I'm choosing this particular actor like Mars LinkedIn profile scrapper with email. So the best point is here is no cookies, because when we scrap LinkedIn data, we have to choose no cookies options. If we use the method that is required cookies, it's against the LinkedIn terms and conditions. So your LinkedIn account will be banned or restricted by this type of actions. So when you use no cookies option, your account will be safer. So this is the ID for this particular actor, like a link, and you can copy this. And if you scrap using API method, you can use this ID, and you can see all the details about how many of users ranked it, how many of users saved it, and how many of users followed and used it. And you can see who built it. When we see pricing, here is 1,000 results cost around $10, and you can create a new task and save and start. When we scroll down, the first option is input. Here we can see the input is like in form type or in JSON type. When you click JSON type, here we have to input the LinkedIn link. When you click font, here we have to input the LinkedIn links. And you can also use bulk edit. We can paste bulk of LinkedIn IDs here. When you scroll down, you can see all the running options of this particular actor. Before that, we'll just go through all of these options. I'm just going with information. Here you can see all the information about this particular actor. Like this is about the LinkedIn profile scrapper is an enterprise grade Apify actor designed to extract comprehensive information from LinkedIn profiles. So it automatically enriches the profile data with contact information, work history, education, skills, and more, making it an essential tool for lead generation, recruitment, market research, and sales outreach. So the key highlight of this particular actor is like there is no cookies required, and we can use bulk processing. It is smart for email discovery and mobile number lookup, and we will get the structured output. When we go to features, here we can get in output is like personal information, work experience, education, skills and endorsements, and additional data like language certifications, publications, patterns, volunteer work, and recommendations, everything about them. And also their company details like industry website, LinkedIn URL, company name, company size, and founder year and company identifiers. And also the contact information, as per I already said, email and mobile number. After that, performance and reliability. So it processes multiple profiles in parallel time, and it handles all the error with detailed logging and automatic retries for failed requests, and also automatic validation and normalization of LinkedIn URLs. So the two things only we need to start this process, that is Apify account and the LinkedIn profile URLs we want to enrich. So the input format is in JSON is look like this. After the running actor, we will see the output in this structure like LinkedIn URL, profile, public, LinkedIn public URL, first name, last name, and full name, headline, connections, followers, email, mobile number, and public identifiers and URL. This is how the main profile data looks like, and work experiences look like this. You can see, right? And after that, in export option, we can download it as an JSON format and Apify dataset and access it through Apify dataset API and export to other formats like CSV, Excel through Apify console. If you have any queries in this actor, we have to email this particular mail like thefusion70@gmail.com, and the actor link is here. Just walk through it and we'll go to Rise. Here we'll see all the Rise with using this particular actor, and in bills we can see the list that we have built here, and in integration here we can see which tool we want to connect with this particular actor, that is like here. And monitoring, here you can see the all overall results here and alerts like notifications and daily statuses and duration. So all other metrics are monitored here. So here you can see all the issues that have happened when you run this particular actor. And in save task, if you save this as like just choosing e-commerce profiles to scrap, and I save that task that is will be visible here. And also I created a new task for SaaS LinkedIn profiles, and I also save that. So all the saved tasks will be reviewed here. When we go to reviews, here you can see all the reviews that are given to this Must LinkedIn Profile Scrapper with email actor. It's maybe positive or negative. You can refer once before you use this actor. You can see the review like ratings, 4.6 ratings out of 5. It's looking great, right? So I'm just choosing this. So there are two options to run this actor. One is directly from this Apify, like just in input, giving the LinkedIn URL and save and start. Instead of that, when you use Clay using Apify, you can see this option too. Like you have to create a HTTP request, and in that you have to click the post method. You have to give this particular endpoint, and in header you have to add this, and in data point you have to add this. I'm just going to Clay, and I'm just creating a new workbook, giving it a name like LinkedIn Profile Grab. I'm just searching, just clicking all resources, and in search I'm giving Apify. We need to select which account we want to add. I'm just clicking add account. I give name like Innovation XD test, and in API key I'm just go to Apify, and then settings and going to API and integration. Here I copy my API key and I paste here, save. So now I'm selecting this particular account that I created now. I'm just clicking add a blank table. Before that, I just show you how to create an Apify account and integrate that with this Clay account. Now you know how to create a Apify account in Clay. So I'm just creating a blank table, and so before starting scrapping, we just need to import the example LinkedIn URL here. For that, I'm just choosing my own LinkedIn profile and just add LinkedIn and column add enrichment. Here we have to search for Apify. I'm just clicking run Apify actor. Here I select my account. So at first it shows error. I just solved it by like just go to the Apify, and I just created a new task with my LinkedIn profile, and I just ran it because it only appears in the Clay when after the first run happens. So I just ran the actor for my LinkedIn profile here. After it showed the particular actor here. I give the JSON format of input data here as per the input JSON format is, you can see right here. I just add the column of a LinkedIn URL here, and in an input column I'm just clicking save and run. Then I found this one. When you use free account, you can only scrap using the Apify. When you integrate into the Clay or any other platforms, you just need to purchase the paid plan. That is what the results is saying, like error. The actor was run successfully, but we didn't get any information. Like users on the free Apify plan can run the actor through the UI and not through other methods. This is what I said previously. If we run this actor in Apify, we'll get the output. So in Apify, I'm just getting this output, like the founder of ElevationX, and in United States, and in the state location information, my background of LinkedIn URL, like an image, and birthday date, company founder, industry, it's all the detail. And a company LinkedIn profile is occupied, and company name, company size, website, and connections and follower count, full name, headline, highlights, and all the data that are visible in my LinkedIn profile are scrapped now. So I'm just showing another example by just going back. If you have a free plan, you can only scrap the leads in Apify only. If you purchase the paid plan, you can directly integrate this with the Clay account, and you can scrap those lead data in Clay. Here you can see my saved task. I'm just going back, giving another LinkedIn profile here. For that, we just go to LinkedIn and take another profile. Like this is my love the colleague. I'm just taking his profile link and pasting it here. Just click save and start. So it's running the actor. So successfully we have pulled all the data of Harish's LinkedIn profile. Here you can see output and like the about section, location, his first name, last name, profile, link URL, and the company details like job title, company size, company name, company website, and also the connections that he have, and education, email, and all other things about him. So now we can export this by just clicking export. Here you can see the formats of exports like JSON, CSV, XML, Excel, like the way. When you click CSV file, it's if you need to select some specific columns only, you can select this. Like I just need to know the about section of him and company, LinkedIn company, industry, size, website, and email, first name, like the way. You can, so if you need every columns, you just need to leave this blank, and you can also omit any column if you don't want. It means like I don't want address country only. I'm just giving it. So like the way, if you need to remove any of this column, you can select that one here. And if you need to add any specific column only that you want, you can add that here and just click download. You can download it as a CSV file. You will see that downloaded file in your system. And you can also directly share this with actor data sets. You can copy the link and paste to the person that you want to share this particular actor. And also if you want to share anyone this actor, you have to add the title and unique name for this and the ID. It will make this particular run safely. So that is how you can scrap unlimited leads using Apify through Clay. So if you have a paid plan, you can see all the results here. Like I'm just showing you an example. So now you can see here, it's like just an example. So if we get the data from the Apify, you just need to click that record. You can see all the details that I have pulled from that particular actor. So like this way. But now we have only pre-planned. That's why we have to do all the scrapping only inside the UI of the Apify. Hope you understand well. And if you have any doubts about how to use this in a Clay, I just create another video explaining that. If you have any doubts, you can comment below. I'll explain in upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye.